First, we're going to start with cutting a lemon. Next, we're going to squeeze the lemon. Now, we're going to do the fun stuff. First, we've got our martini glass. We're going to take our lemon husk and just moisten the edge of the glass. Like this. Then, we're going to dip it in refined sugar. Spin the glass. Tap it. Now we've got a nice sugar rim. Okay, we're going to take our vessel with freshly squeezed lemon juice. And now we're going to add our kosher for Passover vodka, Potato Vodka. That is a satisfying sound, opening a fresh bottle of vodka. And we're going to pour a 2-ounce shot of vodka. And another. And I'm actually making 2 drinks here, so I'm going to pour a third. Okay. That's our liquor. And then we're going to take a little bit of red Maraschino cherry juice. A little bit in there. Then some orange bitters. 2 dashes. Now some vanilla extract. Now this is really powerful stuff and you don't need a lot. It's basically just a drop. You can actually just, if your hands are clean, you should be washing your hands all the time. Okay, so you just take your finger and that's 1 drop. Maybe another drop. Okay. Now, the secret ingredient, coriander. Yeah, this is just powdered coriander. You could use fresh seeds. Do not use cilantro. It tastes like soap. It's disgusting. Coriander. That's the wrong opening. This opening. I'm just going to dash a little bit in my hand. And that's it. Just a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to add some ice. And got my shaker. I'm going to shake it 18 times. I think that was 19. That's okay. And now, our sugar rimmed glass. There we have it. If you're like me, you like your drink a little tart, but sometimes it's a little too tart. So we can just add a little simple syrup, which is just sugar and water, boiled and then chilled. I'm just going to add a couple drops. Stir. Perfect.